What a go on, everybody. Beautiful Sunday afternoon in Guyana, East Bank, DEMERARA. Life can't get better than this here, boy. Look what's going on here. Rain, non-stop rain is falling. Guyana underwater again. I hope my city just don't flood out. Alright? And that's why I see the weather, man. As I heading home, the weather is really, really crazy. My friends them come at the back here to play some football. From Pakuri village there, boy. They told me the match finished. But look, the rain falling here. Let me see if I can see them fellas. Hope you guys have a wonderful Sunday afternoon. You know, hope you're being positive, you're being safe. I never, knew there was a ground across here. Look, them fellas in the rain playing that way. There's some other teams playing there. You know, I haven't come in here in like forever. It's a new place I'm discovering here. It's opposite the stadium. Alright, the Guyana Cricket Stadium. Alright, let me see if I can get a parking and check them by myself. But just want to show you all what the weather looks like in Guyana here, man. It's raining like crazy. Alright. I'm in the ground here, and I learned that the Guyana Football Federation, this is their training camp and training ground. I think it's the first one of its kind. So you can see a match going on out there, them fellas. Is that a match or just practice? Practice? It's a practice match, okay. Wow. Alright, remember I got a little practice game session going on there. And look at all the folks up here, man. We had games earlier today, but the rain came and, mash up all the games, man. Wow. Imagine what would have been the atmosphere here if we had sunshine, by. Everybody would have been jumping out of the seats there right now, making some nice for the team, the favorite team. But the rain come and mash up everything. Reached out with my friends them from Pakuri Mission, and we celebrated. We're having a good time. All right, life couldn't get any better than this here. See you going down and look. That's the whole team from Pakuri village. All right, yay! Big up to Pakuri. That's my team, my number one team. Pakuri men's team, and the number 2 team, the women's team. All right. Hey, we made a stop here to get some dinner, by. And as we come in the Chinese restaurant, look, I ran into some funny from New York, man. And you're telling me every day you're watching the channel, right?
Yes, every day.
What part of New York are you from? Queens? Brooklyn. All right. So all I go back, and I go home now.
Yeah, we're going home.
You start forgetting little Chinese food or what? Just like me. All right, good to see you guys. All right, and please keep watching. Appreciate it. All right. Yeah, man. So we have Camboat on the East Bank, and if you have one place that you are to look, I'll deliver so nice chicken fried rice and thing. All right. Life can't get better than this, right?
Camboat, right?
Yeah, they can't give me discount, right? Boy, we back to the car. This is what you call a cooler fit. Dion, open the cooler. Let me see what's inside there, boy. What? Coors Light? What we got here, boy? Whistle pig? We got things, boy. We got things here. Hey, we party in sun and rain, and we don't care what the weatherman say. All right. We umbrella party and stuff, boy. Cheers, boy. Cheers. Life can't get better than this, boy. So let me show you what's going on with the weather here. Look. See that? This is rain. Rain, and more rain. Can't get better than this, see, boy. Alright? Look, I run into 2 fans here, boy. What's going on?
Everything good.
And y'all love the ARD show?
Yeah.
Wow.
All the time.
What's your name? What's your name? Pami, what's your name?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Where you live? With Fortune, West Side?
Yeah.
Pleased to meet you, man, right? I keep watching the show, alright? Love all you, man. Yeah, thank you. Alright. So hope you guys enjoyed a little sneak peek of what's happening in Georgetown, Guyana. It's raining. Life can't get any better than this. Take care of you and those around you, God bless you. Peace out. And I will see you on another adventure.